Let's look at examples of questions on reproductive system in mammals. Question 1. Which of these parts is not in male reproductive system? This is not found in male reproductive system. A. Vas deferens. B. Graphian follicles. C. Seminal vesicle. D. Prostrate gland. Vas deferens is something as sperm duct from the epididymis to the urethra. Seminal vesicle is the structure that secretes juice into the spermatozoa to make it active. Prostrate gland is another gland in the male reproductive system that produces secretion. B. Graphian follicle is found in the ovary, the tissue that produces eggs. So B is not part of male reproductive system. The answer is B, option B. Number 2. The structure at the terminal end of a spermatozoa for secreting lysine enzyme is known as A. Centrosome, B. Middle piece, C. Flagellum, D. acrosome. Centrosome is the structure that aids cell division in animal. Middle piece is in the sperm between the head and the tail, or the flagellum. C. The flagellum is the tail of the sperm, which is a locomotive structure. The answer is D. The acrosome that produces enzyme that digest the membrane of the sperm itself and the egg for the nuclei to be able to fuse. Question 3. Which of these female reproductive structures receives released egg from the ovary? A. Oviduct, B. Fallopian duct, C. Uterus, D. Fallopian funnel. In this question, you have to look for the exact portion of the oviduct that receives the released egg. So when you look at it, the only answer is D. Fallopian funnel receives the egg first before passing through the fallopian tube down to the uterus. So answer is option D. Fallopian funnel. Question 4. Which of these organs are directly involved in coition? A. Ovary and testis, B. Vagina and testis, C. Penis and vagina, D. Oviduct and vagina. This question is asking, coition is just copulation. It's another word for coition is copulation, and it's also close to the meaning of mating. So the answer is C. This process of introducing spermatozoa or semen into the female is the penis into the vagina. So the answer is C. Question 5. In which part of female reproductive system does fertilization occur? A. Uterus, B. Vagina, C. Upper oviduct, and D. Lower fallopian duct. A. Uterus. This is the place where implantation takes place and the embryo develops. B. Vagina receives sperm from the male. C. Upper oviduct. Actually, that is where fertilization occurs. At lower oviduct, fertilization cannot occur. So answer is C.